Hey y'all, hey, welcome to my channel. On this video, you already know what you're here for. We're gonna talk about a new baggy bag that my husband just got me. You already know. Continue watching this video if you want to see more of this bag. You gotta see this bag, sis. Keep watching. Welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for joining. My name is Princess. So if this is your first time, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, sis. Hey, how you doing? I am so excited to share this bag with you guys because I've been wearing it for probably over the weekend. I would say probably a week now. I've been wearing this bag, and I am so excited about this bag. As you know, we are going to be talking about the Coach Tabby 26. Now, I'm going to give you the ins and outs of the bag. I'm going to show you what fits in my bag, what I've been carrying in my bag. And then I'm sorry, I'm a mama, okay? So if you hear my son in the background, he frustrated. Baby, I'm trying to get these big videos out, and he wants to lay up in the bed all day. And we just can't do that, okay? We got to get this content, okay, period. And then he won't go to sleep, so yeah. Back to the bag. All right, so I'm going to give you the ins and outs of the bag. I'm going to also show you guys what fits in my bag and compare it to the size difference, so you guys can see the size difference. And I've been getting a lot of questions about like how do I feel about the Tabby bag and the size as far as the 20, because right now we're talking about the 26. But as far as the 20, so I'm going to talk about that and the comparison with the 26. All right, with that being said, let's jump right into this bag. So we're not going to be doing a unboxing because I, of course, already opened the bag, then wore the bag. Here's a couple pictures of the bag, period. But I want to get y'all up close and personal. Today I wore her as a crossbody, so it does come with a crossbody strap. This is the crossbody strap, and it is actually thicker as far as the width. It's thicker than the size 20, though I do like the size 20 strap as well. So this is the Coach Tabby 26. And if you shop at the boutique, I don't know if this is everywhere, but if you shop at the boutique like I do, because I did get this from the from the Coach boutique inside of North Park Mall in Dallas, Texas, you are able to label your tags. Now keep in mind, if you label your tags or like put initials or whatever you want on your tags, this is a Coach tag. So if you label them, I put mommy this time, as you can see. But if you, like I said, if you label these, then you can't return them if you wanted to. So I wanted her. I knew I wanted her. I knew I wanted this color. It was between this one and a pink one I'll post right here. But I wanted, because I have a capsule wardrobe now, meaning I only have so many pieces that I can just switch out all the time. I want my everything, all my aesthetic, everything. I want everything, my bags, my perfumes, everything to be what I will wear. Not something that I just seen somebody else have and I just want it. I shop based on what I know that I will be able to utilize. So I knew that this color will be used because I wear this color a lot. And this is what they call the blue gray. It's not necessarily a full gray, but it also has some blue in it. And I did not get my nails to match this bag, but it just so happened matches the bag. But my husband wanted my nails this color, so I ended up getting this color. But it definitely matches the bag. All right, so y'all, let's get right into this bag. Now, one thing I do like in the difference between this one and the all black one that I have, and I'll share that with you in just a second, is the fact that it has like a leather seat on here. It's like a leather material versus a metal material, because the metal material did do some damage on my black one, and you're not able to replace it even if you have insurance, and I was so mad about that. So like any other Tabby, it has the pocket on the back. Once you open the bag, it is a snap closure. So once you open the bag, it has this, I don't even know, microfoam. I'll put the name of it right here of what this material is right here, because I still don't know to this day. Even if you watch my last unboxing of the Tabby 20, I didn't know what it was then. I still don't know what it is now. It doesn't bother me. It doesn't make me no difference, because I don't see the inside of the bag like that anyway. You see the outside, okay? But anyways, it has a pocket on the back. It has a pocket here. It has a pocket here. And then you have the inside that has this end and this end. Now it has like a little bitty slit between the, what is it called? The logo of it. And then you have the zipper insert. So you guys, I love this bag so freaking much. It comes with 2 different handles, meaning you can wear it crossbody, or you can wear it like a top handle, which I'll show you guys that as well. So this is the top handle, and the reason why I decided to get the size 26 right now is because I wanted to wear it under my shoulder. And I thought the size 20 would be able to do that, but it does not. That was more just the top handle where you hold it like this or on your arm like that a little bit. But me personally, I wanted to crawl it. I wanted to have it up my arm like this to where I can actually hold it like a shoulder bag. And I really love that about this bag. When I first wore it, that's how I wore it. However, this is what it's like when it's crossbody. Now I am 5'1", and I have it on the last notch at the top so it can sit right here on my hip. And y'all look how cute she is, period. I love this bag. Now, to get into what I put in my bag, let's talk about that, sis. Okay, so on the back of the back pocket, I have some Kleenex. Like I just have little Kleenex that, like, every now and then I like to wipe my lips, because you know you can get the little white crust between your lips when you're talking too much and you got lip gloss on. So I keep napkins in my pocket, in my purse. I have gum, which stays in that back pocket. Okay, cause I need to go ahead and boop, 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 and pop that thing in my mouth. Okay. All right, when you first open it, I have nothing in the first 2 pockets. I normally would keep this card holder, which I'm gonna talk about this here in a second, but I did get the card holder too as well. But I keep the card holder right here in the front slot. That's where I normally keep her. If you know me and you've been here, you know I keep pretty much the same things in my purse. I have hand cream, hand sanitizer, some type of lip therapy, and I keep all of that just thrown in there, however it fit. And then I have another lip gloss. My phone is an iPhone 13 Pro that sits right here in the back. And then in the zipper part, I normally would put like my makeup and stuff, but right now, because I only have a card holder, I keep my money in the middle part. I normally don't have cash. Either I keep it in the middle part or I keep it in another stash. I can't tell y'all where that's at. I keep like my makeup brush. Today, my perfume of the day was Burberry Goddess. So I have the mini inside my bag, which is inside the middle part. I have a few Band-Aids, cause you just never know, sis. And then I have another perfume. Now I keep this in my purse because I don't have the big bottle to Fame Parfum, which is Paco Rabanne. I don't know his name, but it's Paco Fame Parfum. I keep it in my purse because I like it just in case I forget. It's like a just in case perfume, honestly. And then I have a headband, and I still have this in there. No reason, but it's just telling you how to keep it clean and stuff like that. But anyways, that's what I have in my bag right now, and that's all I need in my bag right now. And then also I have another iPhone Pro that I hold on to because I have both phones that I use for content, and both of those actually fit in the bag perfectly fine and close it just like that. So yeah, it don't take much, y'all. I'm gonna take this top handle off because I'm not wearing her today, but I wore her as a clutch and as a top handle the other day, or shoulder bag, and I was so excited to wear it. It looks so good with my outfit. But I do want to do a comparison for you guys, and before I do that, let's talk about the card holder, because you already know, sis, lately or before, I was not coming with the bags and the card holders, but you know now sis gotta have her card holder, period. Okay, so I ended up getting this card holder, which the card holder is $75, so it's not much, but it matches the bag perfectly, y'all. Look at that. And then the bag, it cost, if I'm not mistaken, $4.50. That's how much this one was. And if you want to purchase this bag, I will link the description, put the link in the description area to shop this bag. But yes, you guys, I really do love my bag. I do have a little stains on her because I've been putting my makeup in there, but you don't see the inside but me. Okay, period. That's my business. But yeah, let me do pictures. So let's do a comparison with the size 20 and the size 26. Also, to keep in mind, the bags come with dusters, and I'm carrying her right now, so I don't have her in a duster. But this is the Tabby 20 in black, and I purchased her in October. Not me, my husband, but we got her in October of 2023. And like a month or two later, they came out with the size 26 in this color, and I was like, what? Like, this was the size, like size 20 was the only size they had when I first got it. And it was bigger than the wallet, so I figured I'd get this because it's bigger than the wallet. And y'all, I still love her down, like I still wear her. But if I would have known that they was coming out with a size 26 in it, I honestly probably would have just purchased the 26 in it, and then maybe had this. I would have still had this color in this 26 as well. But don't get me wrong, I love the size 20. It's just, I love my 26 more now that I got her. But as far as the size, now the color, I love my 20, okay? I love black. Can't go wrong with black. But anyways, this is the comparison. This is the size 20, and then this is the size 26. This one does the same thing. It comes with a top handle as well as a crossbody handle on the back. They both have pockets. Now, as far as the metal that I was telling you about, the C, it has some damage on it, and I don't like that, okay? Versus this one is more like a leather C, so I feel like it'll hold up and be more durable than the metal, since they don't replace the metal. And then, like I was telling you guys about the tag, you can always put your initials or your name on your tags. And of course, I put my initials on this one, and then on the gray one, I put mommy. I should have did that with this one as well, but I didn't know. Of course, you guys know that, or if you don't, I do have the card holder for this one as well. Now, this black card holder is the same as the $95 one. I think it was about $75. I think this was $75 as well. But let's continue with the comparison. Like I said, I keep my card holders right there in the front. Well, let's keep on with the comparison. You have the pocket right here in the front when you first open it. You have a pocket right behind it. You have the opening on the front and the back. And then you have the zipper portion in the middle. And I'm going to put a close up to this as well. They both are the same, just different sizes. Now, the same things that you see in this bag can also fit in my Tabby 20. The difference is I can only get one phone in my Tabby 20 versus both phones in my Tabby 20. And honestly, I like to have both of my phones because of the fact that with my content that I'm doing, I'm always doing content. I need both phones for that. So I need to carry it everywhere. So that's what this comes in handy, because I can carry more in this one. Still look classy and cute. But as you can see, this is the 20, this is the 26. And that is the comparison. I love both of them. I am a Tabby girl now. Now I will say this. I was not really into the quilted Tabbies, but at size 33, I put her on my shoulder and I was like, that's mine. So I may, if they don't come out with a Tabby 33 that's like this, because I would definitely like go get that like real fast when they come out with that. But if they don't come out with a Tabby 33 that's like this material, and they only continue to do the quilted ones, then I will get a quilted one. Like, that's my goal, to get a Tabby 33 quilted. That's like a anniversary gift, honestly. That's like something I have to get like on a special occasion, because that bag is like, you know, this one is $450 for the 26. For the 20, it's like $350. Now, for that Tabby 33, it's like $750. And I'm just like, you know, the way my coins is added up, I mean, I could get it. Don't get me wrong, but it's like more of like a gift. You know, these are more like, okay, let's go buy it, you know, if we haven't. But those are like gifts. And because I wouldn't want just the bag. I want the bag and the wallet too. Now, if it's a black one, then of course I already got a wallet to that. If it's a gray one, I got a wallet to that. But if it's a different color, we're gonna have to get the wallet for it. Okay, period. So we gotta save for that. That's like a birthday. That's like an anniversary gift, you know? But anyways, you guys, I wanted to share this information with you all to show you guys what I have. If you made it to this part of the video, go ahead and put some hearts in the comment section. And you know, it can be any color heart. If you've been here and you're an OG, it's all love over here. Sis, it's all love over here, bro. Definitely put a heart in the comment section so I know that you made it to this part of the video. And please, 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 go ahead and subscribe, y'all. Subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press that bell so YouTube will know that you like my video. Anyways, thank you guys for watching this video. I'm so happy to share this with you guys. Go out and get you a Tabby, sis. Okay, it's the It Girl bag this season, period. Actually, this season and every season. And I look forward to seeing y'all in our comment section. Let me know how you feel about the bag, if you got the bag, or if you decide to, if you're going to be deciding to get the bag, what size you plan on getting. Let me know in the comment section, and what colors also. And I'll put all the colors right here, so you'll see like what colors that they have. And of course, like I said, I'll have it the link linked in my description area and also in the comments. So I'll see you guys on the next video. If you like this video, again, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, press the bell so you know when more videos like this is posted, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Thank you for watching.